Hey guys, for this video I'm going to go over how to create a drawing from a SolidWorks model. Now a drawing in SolidWorks is really important because if you're going to go machine a part, it allows you to create what machinists would call a blueprint. And this is very important and very useful when you're machining, for example, by hand. So to make a drawing, all you have to do is go and select New, Make Drawing from Part Assembly. It's going to give you a few formatting options. I'm just going to click the first one, A0 ISO. And it's going to create the drawing for me. Now, you can also create a drawing without creating it directly from the part. You can create it just from scratch. But in this case, I like to create it from the part because it gives you a bunch of preset views that you can use. For example, if I want to add a top view, I can just drag it in. It'll also give some projected views. That we can add. And then if you want to add more views, you can click Model View of Slot. And then you can select any view you want. I'm going to add an isometric view, just as a good summary diagram. And now I'm going to take, and now that I got all the views that I want, I'm going to start adding some dimensions. So to add dimensions, we're going to go to Annotation, and we're going to go to Smart Dimension. And this is going to allow us to select dimensions that we want to add. As well as display the value. So it's a little hard to see, but if I were to zoom in a little bit, you can see that we added the dimension of 50 millimeters right here, so it's visible. Now it's generally good practice when you make blueprints to add all the necessary dimensions. Which is what I'm going to do here. In this case, because this is a simplified part, we only have 4 main dimensions that we need to show. But in general, when you are making drawings, you're probably going to have way more parts or even full assemblies.